Precision Digital's simple point-to-point wireless system, the easiest way to get your process signals from point A to point B. Precision Digital's wireless products give you a simple, straightforward way to get an analog, discrete, or Modbus signal from where you have it to where you need it. There's no need to run hundreds of feet of wires throughout your industrial plant. You'll save on time, manpower, and cost by simply connecting up your transmitters and control room to a Precision Digital wireless unit. With a range of 1 mile line of sight outdoor and 500 feet indoor, it's never been easier to get your critical process data from where you have it to where you need it. Whether you're retransmitting process signals from a large tank to a more convenient location, or from multiple tanks to a control room, Precision Digital wireless units can deliver your data where you need it most. The PDW30 is a simple point-to-point wireless bridge that includes a primary unit and a secondary unit, each with analog, digital, and RS-485 Modbus inputs and outputs. It also includes a loss of signal digital output. An optional relays module with 2 Form A relays is also available and is easy to install into the base of the enclosure with the 4 screws provided. The display module is designed for convenient access to the electronics and includes removable connector plugs for easy wiring. The module snaps back into place with no screws necessary. The PDW30 units feature a NEMA 4X IP68 cast aluminum or stainless steel enclosure with a flange for wall or pipe mounting, a remote or attached antenna, and a range of 1 mile line of sight outdoor and 500 feet indoor. This makes the PDW30 ideal for wire replacement in rugged industrial areas. Easily program non-advanced settings on the PDW30 using the 4 CapTouch buttons. These behind-the-glass buttons allow for operation of the unit without removing the enclosure cover. For all advanced programming, use the free PDW Manager USB programming software. The PDW30 is virtually plug-and-play right out of the box. All you need to do is take it out of the box and connect the power, and you'll see the primary and secondary units are already paired and ready to go. In this application example, the PDW30 wireless bridge is being used for monitoring the level in one tank. The 4 to 20 milliamp level transmitter on the tank is connected to the analog input of the secondary unit. The milliamp signal is transmitted to the primary unit. The primary unit's analog output is connected to the PD6602 loop-powered meter, which displays the 4 to 20 milliamp signal as volume in gallons. The PD6602 is programmed to indicate an alarm condition when the level exceeds 7,000 gallons as displayed on the meter. Relay 1 on the meter connects to the digital input 1 of the primary unit and transmits the signal to the digital output on the secondary unit, which triggers the high alarm. The PDW units feature a loss of signal digital output, which alerts another device, such as a PLC, that the wireless signal has been lost. A PDW90 base station is the starting piece to a customizable point-to-multipoint wireless system and offers a highly flexible means of getting process signals from where you have them to where you need them. The base stations come in 3 different sizes and feature a rugged plastic NEMA 4X field enclosure, standard RS-485 Modbus, and is easily field or wall mountable. Customize your PDW90 system any way you want it by choosing one of the base stations and installing up to 2, 6, or 16 I/O modules and up to 32 expandable field units. The modules, designed specifically for the PDW90 base stations, are easy to install and add functionality to the wireless system. 4 types of modules are available and include dual analog input, dual analog output, 4 digital I/O, and dual relays. The PDW90 field units, like the PDW30 units, all have the same enclosure features, inputs and outputs, and a range of 1 mile line of sight, 500 feet indoor. The field units can also be equipped with the optional 2 relays module. The field units transmit analog, digital, and Modbus input signals from any location in the field to the PDW90 base station. All you need to do is set up the network ID and Modbus address, and the device will transmit the signal connections wirelessly. The wireless communication between the field units and the base station is bidirectional, so completely different 4 to 20 mA discrete and Modbus signals can be sent from the base station to the field units. Increase your signal strength with wireless repeaters. The PDWR wireless repeater is incredibly simple to install and makes a great accessory for the PDW30 and PDW90. These can be used if you are having connectivity issues or want to broadcast over long distances and around permanent obstacles. All units have a range of 1 mile line of sight and 500 feet indoor. In this application example, the PDW90 wireless system is being used for monitoring the level in 4 tanks. The level in each tank is measured by a 4 to 20 mA level transmitter that is connected to a PDW90 field unit. Each field unit wirelessly transmits the 4 to 20 mA signal back to the base station. The base station is equipped with 2 dual analog output modules that send the 4 to 20 mA signals to the Consolidator Plus controller. Check your signal strength before you install. The PDA10 Wireless Survey Toolkit will help you get an accurate reading of your wireless signal strength, saving you time and cost. The PDA10 can also be used to troubleshoot connectivity issues. Go wireless with Precision Digital and see how easy it is to get your critical process data from where you have it to where you need it. For prices, product, and stock levels, visit predig.com/wireless products.